Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Here is a 12-inch MDF base in which I already drew circles, created grids. The angles are marked at 30, 60, 90, 120 and 150. Circles, I have not measured the radius. I drew random circles. Let's get started with dotting now. I'll start with dotting in the center in white. Now I'll dot in golden yellow. Now I'll keep some dots in orange. I'll keep some dots in crimson. Now I'll keep some dots in sky blue. Now I'll keep some dots in light blue. Now I'll keep some dots in white. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. Now I'll keep some yellow dots. Now I'll work the dots in yellow. I'll keep crimson dots now. I'll keep some orange dots now. Now I'll work the dots in orange. Now I'll work the dots in crimson. Now I'll keep straight swipes in yellow. I'll keep a dot and then make it to a swipe. Now I'll make these dots into swipes. Now I'll keep two side swipes in orange. I'll keep some yellow dots now. Now I'll keep some more yellow dots. Now I'll work the dots in yellow. Now I'll keep some light blue dots. I'm going to keep some more yellow dots in the middle. Now I'll keep some sky blue dots. I'll work the dots in sky blue now. Now I'll work the dots in light blue. Now I'll keep a straight swipe in yellow. I'll keep a plumpy dot and then make it to a swipe. Now I'll keep 2 side swipes in sky blue. I'll keep a dot, then make it to a swipe. I'm sure this dot mandala came out really well. Thank you for watching this video.